Hello friends, it's Jessica and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a new chair that I got for my loft area. But before I show you the actual chair, I wanted to take you into my loft space and show you why I picked this particular chair. Over in this corner right here, we have a standing desk that my husband does use from time to time when he works from home. And over here beside the couch, we have this pretty big empty area. And we thought about getting a recliner for this area, but we also like having it free. So when we do home workouts, we can pull out all of our equipment and we don't have to move anything around. So when the furniture company Kinnls reached out to me and wanted to partner on a video, I was really excited because I found the perfect chair to go in my loft on their website. And if you've never heard of Kinnls before, they are an online furniture store that mainly specializes in office chairs, but they do have sofa sets as well on their website. I will link them down below in the description box, and I will also share a coupon code down below as well, so definitely check them out if you are in the market for any type of office chair. They have a lot to choose from on their website. So this chair was pretty much fully assembled when it arrived to me. There were only a few pieces that I had to assemble, and it only took a few minutes. If you're wondering what this is, it's just a little tag with the Kinnls logo. I thought it was a really nice detail. So the chair that I picked out for my loft is called the Elijah Electric Power Recliner, and I am really impressed with the quality and it's so comfortable. So this chair is perfect for my loft. It's going to perform double duty. Not only is it going to be used as an office chair, it's also going to be used as a recliner for when my family is watching movies. So this is the handle that moves the chair up and down. It has a nice chrome detail. So here are the buttons for the Power Recliner. This moves the head and footrest up and down, and they are also a nice chrome detail. The charging outlet for the Power Recliner is located at the bottom of the chair, and the charging cable was also included. The battery will last about 10 to 15 days between charging, just depending on how often you use the recliner. So I am really impressed with the craftsmanship of the chair. It's made from cowhide leather. I also really love the shape of the chair, especially the headrest here. I think the overall design is very simple, but it's also very stylish and modern. So my daughter is going to demonstrate how to use the recliner. It's very simple. You just press the button. The motor is very smooth and it's also very quiet too. So the chair can hold up to 500 to 600 pounds, and the chair is very sturdy. It does not roll around when I'm in the reclining position. And here is what it looks like in the fully extended reclining position. And as you can see, it fills that empty area in my loft pretty well, but it's also not too bulky. So I chose the Elijah chair in black leather, but you can also get it in gray, white, or tan leather as well. And the shipping was also pretty fast. It only took about a week to get to me. And as you can see, the chair is 100% husband approved. He loves that he is able to recline here and watch TV. And we as a family will definitely get a lot of use out of this chair. So not only is this chair comfortable as a recliner, but it's also very comfortable in the upright position. I love the position of the armrests. The chair is also ergonomical and it supports your back very well. My husband recently had to work from home for a few days, and he used the chair and he loved it. It made a huge difference in his overall comfort, but also his productivity. And I really love how this chair tucks perfectly under my desk here. It fills in the space really nicely, and it hides all of those cords back there, which I can really appreciate because I can't stand looking at those cords. So this chair covers it completely. And I wanted to say thank you so much to Kinnls for partnering with me on today's video. And if you are in the market for a luxurious chair like this, definitely check out their website. And I do have a 15% off coupon code down below that you can use. So the real question is, did Peanut approve of the chair? And yes, she did. She loves it. She says it's so comfortable. And we both want to say thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions about the chair, definitely leave them down below. I would be happy to get back to you. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you very soon with a new video.